Well, they don't know because we cut that out of the film. So this fudge, it says to shake before use, but that doesn't work. So we're gonna just pop this in the microwave because it's a little hard.
Yeah, and we will keep filming this video right now because it's in the microwave.
Yeah,
So,
I don't really know how long we're gonna have to microwave this for, but we'll try. Oh, by the way, this is water. We were doing dishes. I believe in cleaning up between.
We walked me in the water.
Oh, perfect. Okay, so this is much better. Okay, so now it's got good consistency now. So, well, kind of. Here, a little bit more. Fine. We'll let it cook just a little.
Don't touchy-watchy. Like, when you come to my house, these are going to be all gone.
Probably.
Yes. Because we have, like...
We'll try to save some for random people that show up at our house.
Yes.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
All right. There you go. So, yeah, I'll hold the bowl. You just scoop it up, man, and put it on there the way you want. Oh, that's very beautiful.
So we might save...
You know what, dude? We can probably do this action right here.
No.
No, okay. Yeah, I was just going to come over here and enjoy a nice beverage while Ryker does his magic work here.
Yep.
I may have cooked that a little too long. Now it's too loose now. So go figure. You just need a little bit. I was thinking like we need it melted, but now it's not. It's round, so it's not going to stay on top. It's just kind of. It's like a molten chocolate cake.
Oh yeah. It's like chocolate cupcakes. Yum. Oops.
Gotta laugh at your own kids, man. Sure are cute. All right. Oh, and Chewy has joined us now. Chewy has joined us. However, Chewy is a good dog. He's not allowed in the kitchen, so.
Yeah, he's jumping over the gates.
Yeah, we have to take the gates down because he jumped.
Yeah, we haven't made videos when he was born.
Oh, we have some videos.
Oh
Yeah, we have some VR videos. So.
Should be like trying to bite me. Yeah, you guys have like smashed that white button.
You don't have to scream at the cameras. All right.
You guys have smashed the white button on that.
Smash the like button?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah, the thumbs up. I think we're done with those. So now let's get.
Okay, you want to start decorating them?
Yeah.
All right, here I'm just gonna add a little coverage to some of these, okay? Because see, there's.
Yeah, those look yummy. Comment down below if you want to eat these. Ooh, yummy.
There's probably like people that actually know how to cook, unlike me. That are like, this is like a torture video.
Yeah,
Because
this
they're
is
like
not
these guys.
a torture video.
Well, no, it's torture for them to watch us try to cook this because Daddy really doesn't know anything about cooking, and
Yes,
it's
everybody.
very evident in this chocolate disaster. I'm just going to call it disaster because look what's happening here. Okay. They won't be the prettiest, but they might be good.
Yeah,
Who
they're
knows?
going to taste good. We're going to taste some.
Yeah, Daddy cooked this chocolate too long. I'm sorry, dude.
It's okay.
They may not even come out of the pan. They may just be stuck in the pan forever. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, my dad's the best.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Yesterday was Christmas. All right, let's see.
Yeah, because I got one wrapped for Christmas.
Yeah. All right, so which topping are you going to do first? Sprinkles? Okay, here you go. Sprinkle to your heart's content. Now, the good thing is the chocolate is soft, so the sprinkles will adhese into the chocolate. If you make a mess, dude, it's okay. We got vacuum, we got... Now, put all the sprinkles on all the ones you want, just so you just...
No, I'm giving it different.
Oh, you're going to do it all... Okay, so that's going to be like a double chocolate? Okay, got a little chocolate on the wrapper there, too. I like it.
Oh, I want to taste some.
Okay, a little sampler. Okay. What else we got here?
Taste good.
I'm good, dude. I'm this belly is brought to you by Cheetos. Cheetos does kids good. After you get 30, it's all over. All right, let's go.
Whoa.
Whoa, that is That's a sprinkle surprise. That's what that is.
Yeah, we're not doing that.
Okay. Hey, the M&Ms are done. You want some more M&Ms?
Dad, those are not M&Ms. We don't know what they are.
Do you want some M&Ms to put on one? I think I can make that. I can make that happen. Oh, you need a towel. Okay.
Oh yeah, we could do like an M&M thing.
We've now entered the free jazz Odyssey toppings here. So let's see here. Okay, yeah, just do what you want to do.
Oh,
So one of them, are you gonna let me?
scary.
Okay. This didn't.
So scary.
This didn't go over well. This isn't happening well. There we go. I think this.
If you guys want to make this at home, comment down below.